Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Today we are taking a look at the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII scan tool for iPhone and Android. If you're serious about understanding and maintaining your vehicle, this is the tool for you. With BlueDriver, you can scan and clear your car's trouble codes and check engine light with ease. But that's just the beginning. BlueDriver's enhanced vehicle diagnostics gives you access to information normally available only to mechanics on their OBDII scan tools. You can read and clear ABS, Airbag, SRS, TPMS codes, and many more. It's like having a professional mechanic right in your pocket, and the best part? No annoying wires. BlueDriver connects wirelessly with Bluetooth via your phone or tablet to a sensor that plugs into your car's OBDII port. It's user-friendly, convenient, and gives you all the capabilities of an expensive code reader scan tool without the hassle of wires. But that's not all. With BlueDriver, you get unlimited specific repair reports containing possible causes, reported fixes, and more for virtually every vehicle make and model. Plus, our iOS, Android, and the best part? You only have to make one purchase with no in-app fees or add-ons. It's all included. Plus, BlueDriver can stay connected to your vehicle even as you drive, so you can monitor your car's health in real time. And if you ever need help, don't worry. BlueDriver offers unmatched 24/7 professional support. Our highly trained technicians are there for you anytime, anywhere. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your vehicle maintenance game with the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII scan tool. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive reviews and tips. Happy driving!